Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Affirm loan. Let's get straight into the video. Now the pre-application requirements are, of course, the first is you have to be at least 18 years old or 19 years old in the state of Alabama. The second, of course, is you got to be a US resident, and the third is that you have to have a valid phone number and email address. Now, assuming you meet all these requirements, you could just go on to the application process. And what you want to do is to check your eligibility for an Affirm loan by providing, basic information such as, the name, email address, the phone number, and birth dates. And then just select the loan amount and term that suits your need, and then just provide financial information, such as your income, your employment status, and bank account information. And then just verify your identity through a soft credit check, or you can do that by linking a bank account. And then they're just going to review. You just need to review and accept the loan terms, including interest rates and the payment schedule. Now you can apply for this loan. It could be from Affirm's website or mobile app. You can also do that from Affirm's partner merchants. So just apply for an Affirm loan at checkout with one of Affirm's partner merchants. So you are going to require a couple of documents. The first is a government issued identification card. So that could be your driver's license, or it could be a passport. You're also going to need to provide proof of income, such as a pay stub or your W-2 form. Now, for loan decisions and fundings, you will receive an instant loan decision after submitting your application. And if it's approved, you're going to receive loan fundings directly to your bank account. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.